the racing hearts, a tale of unity and triumph.
In a whimsical world where animals could talk, lived a speedy rabbit and a tortoise who loved to walk. Their fame had spread, their rivalry renowned, as they traversed through meadows, over hills, and around. One fine day, they gathered with friends far and near, for a grand race that would bring everyone cheer. The sun shone brightly, casting its golden glow, as they prepared for a contest, all set to go. With the crowd abuzz, the race was about to begin, the tortoise, the rabbit, and the spirits within. The first part of the story played out with grace, as the tortoise's steady pace won the first race. Slow and steady wins the race. But the rabbit, determined not to accept defeat, proposed a new challenge, a change of course, a feat. In the second part, the rabbit led the way, his speed and consistency on full display. Fast and consistent will beat the slow and steady. But the tortoise, learning from races of the past, kept up, not letting the rabbit's confidence last. They raced through forests, valleys, and streams, in a pursuit of victory, yet bound by friendly dreams. Then came the third part, an unexpected twist, as a difficult challenge emerged from the mist. The running lane was tricky, land and water combined, without bridges, a puzzle that boggled their mind. In this dramatic moment, their rivalry paused, as they realized teamwork was the key to applause. The rabbit, agile and swift, carried the tortoise true. Across land and water, they formed a remarkable crew. With each water channel, the tortoise would dive, taking the rabbit along, like a joyous ride. Their partnership blossomed, laughter filled the air, as they tackled the obstacles with a newfound flair. They hopped, swam, and scampered with glee, their friendship and cooperation a spectacle to see. The crowd cheered loudly, touched by the sight of the rabbit and the tortoise, a harmonious delight.
In the night, the race was won. The animals retired into the comfort of their homes, their spirits inspired. The rabbit and the tortoise, exhausted from their run, laid down to rest. Deep slumber had just begun.
But the forest faced a disaster. Lurking in the night, humans arrived with machines, causing fright. They cut down the trees, destroying homes in their wake, unaware of the consequences, the damage they'd make. As the humans cooked their meal, fire engulfed the air, spreading rapidly, a blaze of despair. Animals scattered, fleeing from the scene, leaving behind their homes, a tragic and fiery dream. Amidst the chaos, the rabbit and the tortoise awoke, their eyes opened wide, as the flames spoke. Aghast at the destruction that surrounded their sight, they realized their safety was at stake that night. The tortoise, slow but steady, couldn't escape the blaze, while the rabbit, swift and fast, couldn't cross the waterways. In this dire moment, they knew what must be done, to save themselves, their beloved forest, as one. With a plan in their minds, they joined forces anew, harnessing their strengths, to the challenge they drew. The rabbit carried the tortoise on his back, as they faced the raging flames, ready to attack.
Together they leapt, across the water they flew, the tortoise protected the rabbit, their bond true. They reached the other side, undeterred by the heat, their teamwork a testament, an incredible feat.
They scurried and hopped, guiding animals to safety, through the charred remains, with courage and bravery. With determination, they rallied the forest's inhabitants, rebuilding their homes, dispelling despair's remnants. Through the ashes and ruins, new life began to sprout. The animals united, banishing doubt. The forest, once vibrant, regained its glory, a testament to the power of teamwork's story. So remember this tale, in times of challenge or plight, that even in darkness, unity ignites the light. For when we come together, our strengths intertwine, we can conquer any obstacle, no matter the sign. In the night's darkest hour, as the forest burned, the rabbit and tortoise proved what could be earned. Through teamwork and courage, they saved the day, and forever in our hearts, their story shall stay. In this tale of races, teamwork, and fire's plight, the lessons abound, shining ever so bright. From slow and steady to fast and consistent, to the power of unity, unwavering and persistent. So let these words inspire young and old to face challenges bravely with hearts bold. For within us lies the strength to overcome, to triumph together until the race is won. Thanks for watching.